a little bit longer.
Yeah, he said it rained, but the heavy only lasted like 2 or 3 minutes.
Were they outside in it?
They were at Ben's mom's house. So
Oh, good.
gathered them up and put them inside.
So is that like how the water flow is supposed to work in the parking lot, or is that an engineering feat, or?
Yeah, I doubt it.
Because where's that draining? Whose
By
car?
design?
Yeah.
It's going down that walkway.
Oh, there's some lightning. I want to see some lightning.
You saw lightning?
I thought I just saw.
Oh,
Yeah. Here's
that
the
was
thunder.
so fun.
I want to go on the roof.
I guess there was lightning.
What's that? I've got a key. See, that's. Heck yeah. Oh, come on, give me some lightning.
You should have seen it out there right before it was
Well, yeah, as the wind was blowing, it was rolling in.
clouds were like moving so fast.
Come on, give me some lightning. Where is this? Is the window open? Yep, that's Sean.